In this video, we'll have a look at how Servicely's holistic view on service portfolio management and continuous service improvement can help organizations drive improvement initiatives and get a portfolio overview of the different services provided to the organization. The first thing we'll notice in the service portfolio management application here to the left is the fact that we have a list of portfolios, right? So here we can come in and see the groupings of services that we would be providing to our organization, and we can come in and see that we have a portfolio here concentrated on employee enablement and compliance. And we can also see the state of that particular portfolio. So there is a workflow that drives our activities forward in terms of figuring out what current portfolio status we have for a particular business improvement that we're trying to achieve. We can also see the category of the actual portfolio. We can see the subcategories. We have a budget here. We have operational performance. We've got strategic alignment, organizational strategy, and down here the business value, the financial performance that we're looking to achieve from this one. We've got the link here to risk analysis as well, the actual investment required, and then related services that sits under that portfolio. In this case, we can see we've got client computing. So that means we can come in and see the service for client computing. Again, there's a supporting workflow here as well. We've got the type of service as well. We've got the customer satisfaction element. We've got any potentially related configuration items, description, design, business case, operational details, any provided documentation in terms of management, delivery, support. And then we have a link to catalog items and most importantly, continuous improvement. So in here we can see we have a continuous improvement initiative that drives enhancements for this particular service. So we can open up that initiative and see what's the current state, objectives, any particular stakeholders, the data sources, what particular type of measurements we're looking at here, what type of outcome we're trying to achieve, lessons learned, and individual improvement tasks that can be driven and assigned to individuals so that we really make sure that we drive continual service improvement. Now, there's no service portfolio management and continual service improvement without reporting. So up here under My Service Portfolio Management, we can see we have our portfolio overview. So what are the groups of services we have? What are the different categories? We've got a spider web down here looking at the operational performance for the portfolio we have in place. We've got our financial overview where we talk about financial health, cost efficiency, return on investment, again for the different portfolios. And we've got our services overview, which is the next step down the ladder, understanding what are the services that we're providing, what are the services by portfolio, so we get that overview of how many services will sit under each portfolio. And we have a link here to the CMDB, right? So that gives us the ability to understand anything that we manage in the CMDB and basically link that to the service experience that we have as part of the individual portfolios. And we can start comparing user satisfaction to what we're managing in the CMDB based on how we manage our portfolio of services. And then as the final step, we have the continuous service improvement activities where we can see what are the different activities we're driving, what are the different tasks that needs to be completed so that we can help ourselves improve that service and experience and thereby get a better outcome of the entire portfolio. So this is how we in Servicely would manage service portfolio management and drive continuous service improvement activities based on the tracking capabilities, the fact that we can do this integrated to the CMDB that are in the system and thereby also impact all the processes like incident, problem, change.